birthday, yeah. Bless up, man.
Hey, what's up? It's Sunfish King. I just want to say happy birthday to my bro KAHANA. We're in a car bouncing around right now. But I'll try to keep the video still. Hey, if you guys don't have KAHANA, definitely go pick him up on YouTube. You might see that he doesn't have any content on there. Don't let that fool you. Amazing guy, great member of the community, very musical dude. And KAHANA, I hope you have an amazing birthday. All right, have a good one. Peace, bro.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, KAHANA. You getting old, but you still gold, baby. Happy birthday to you, KAHANA. Happy birthday to you.
Hey KAHANA, this is Dusty, and I just want to wish you a happy birthday, man, and that you celebrate and that you live it up, man. Don't go too crazy now. But I just want to wish you a happy birthday and appreciate all that you do for the Tribulation Kids community and all the banter and rap battles you do with me, man. And I just want to again wish you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, KAHANA. All the best, my friend. From Canada, happy birthday to you.
KAHANA, have a blissful and wonderful birthday. Enjoy your days. Thank you.
Happy birthday, KAHANA. More birthdays to come and more blessings to receive, and more cocomelon in your life. Stay safe, God bless, and stay handsome and talented person. Thank you for the support, and hopefully you meet the cocomelon in your life, and stay positive, and God bless always and your family. Happy birthday and enjoy your day. Thank you.
Wait, KAHANA, you're so funny, you're Visaya. Look like you're preaching already to the church. And very deep your Visaya. This is like a lola at lolo. You're funny. I teach you Visaya, ha? Then you no need to take a Google. But your Googles is bugo. Funny. By the way, happy birthday. Wishing you good health and happiness. And you are so wonderful persons. I meet you online. And you are close of mine. And you are so kind. Good heart. Hope you have ito enjoyable your birthday and you deserve it. God bless you. One more thing. The Bisaya will teach you is Gihigugmata ka, buanga ka. And Gimingaw ta ka, buanga ka. Dagliso do Bisaya. Love you, brother. Happy birthday. God bless you. Bye.
Happy birthday to Watermelon KAHANA. This is it, your birthday. Here you go, and this is for you. Pack, 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 pack. Happy birthday, KAHANA, and stay encouraged and take care of your health. And please, thank you so much for always there supporting us, and may God bless you always, and agyaman nakta nakilala ka dito, Whitey. Thank you so much, KAHANA.
Hello, KAHANA. Thanks for your friendship. I want to say happy birthday, and we appreciate you, everything you do for the community, everything you stands for, and everyone you help. And we enjoy every minute with you. And for future, we're gonna be still 25 every year. We're still gonna have a lot of fun together. So keep up your good work and enjoy every minute with us. Happy birthday.
So KAHANA, my brother, I want to wish you a happy birthday, my man. You know, you're part of my family. You're part of the Trip fam. We all love you. I love you. And man, I just want to say say, keep doing what you're doing, man. Keep positive, keep grinding, enjoy yourself, and I'll be right behind you supporting you, my man. So enjoy this birthday and many more to come. And yeah, man, see you around. Later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You the man and Kahana. Happy birthday to you. Hey man, look, I appreciate you. It's always love when you're in the building. The man, the myth, the legend. What more can I say? It's your day. I hope you enjoy it to the fullest, man. I hope you're surrounded by a lot of people who love and appreciate for what you bring to the world, man. You're an awesome man of God, an excellent friend, a motivator, an encourager, and your wisdom speaks in abundance. So, happy birthday, man, and I hope you have many, many more. Alright?
Yo, peace. It's D-Nell, a.k.a. the Tribulation Kids. It's Trib. I'm in the building. Gotta say what's up to the watermelon man, Kahana. We appreciate you. Happy birthday, bro. You have a great day. Enjoy your birthday, man. I love you, man. You already know. Peace.
Well, if it isn't a great day for Kahana! Yes, indeed. You know, when you have your special day, you do what you want, you go where you want, you eat what you want, and of course people sing happy birthday to you. So let's do that right now. Okay? Listen. You love harmony.
Happy birthday to you.
Yes.
Happy birthday,
Kahana.
Happy birthday to you.
Yes, let's hear it for Kahana's birthday. Happy birthday. Back to you guys. Essence Band, take it away.
Your birthday's today.